At Kao Chemicals Europe, we develop high-performance chemicals that enhance the durability and sustainability of our roads. With over 40 years of expertise in asphalt emulsifiers, our solutions are used worldwide to create longer-lasting, safer roads. Asphalt emulsions are produced by the following industrial process. Asphalt is melted in a tank at temperatures depending on asphalt grade. Separately, a water phase, also known as soap, is prepared with the solution of an emulsifier in a tank. Asphalt and water flow into a high-speed colloid mill where emulsifiers enable the formation of fine, stable droplets. Our emulsifiers play a crucial role in stabilizing the emulsion, preventing coalescence and ensuring consistent performance. Now, let's take a look at the water phase process. To work effectively, emulsifiers must be properly added into water. This requires a pH adjustment to activate emulsifier electrostatic charge. First, water is heated up and pH is adjusted. Then the emulsifier is added and dissolved. This process takes several minutes. It's not immediate. Finally, pH is adjusted again to ensure excellent emulsion properties. Asphalt emulsions support Kao's ESG commitment by reducing energy use and improving safety in road construction. Together with our clients, we build sustainable solutions for a better world.